The skies are about to witness a revolution with the 2025 XB-70 Valkyrie, a cutting-edge 6th-generation fighter jet designed to dominate the modern battlefield. Inspired by the legendary XB-70 bomber, this futuristic warbird is a perfect fusion of stealth, speed, and precision engineering. Developed for unrivaled air superiority, the new Valkyrie is set to redefine the way we think about air combat. Performance. At the heart of the XB-70 Valkyrie's power lies an advanced next-gen propulsion system, allowing it to achieve hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 5. Equipped with eye-assisted avionics, it features autonomous combat capabilities, enhancing pilot situational awareness and response time. Its adaptive stealth technology ensures minimal radar cross-section, making it virtually invisible to enemy detection. Whether engaging in dogfights or precision strike missions, the Valkyrie's ultra-maneuverable airframe and directed energy weapons give it a lethal edge over any adversary. Exterior design. The 2025 XB-70 Valkyrie boasts an aggressive, futuristic aesthetic, reflecting both stealth and aerodynamic efficiency. Its sleek delta-wing design, inspired by its legendary predecessor, allows for optimal lift-to-drag ratio, reducing turbulence at high speeds. A fully composite airframe enhances durability while minimizing weight. The jet features active morphing wings, adapting to different flight conditions for superior performance. Its near-invisible matte black coating, infused with advanced radar-absorbent materials, ensures maximum stealth capabilities. Fuel efficiency. Despite its incredible speed, the Valkyrie is engineered for exceptional fuel efficiency. Utilizing next-generation scramjet and hybrid propulsion systems, it optimizes fuel consumption at different altitudes and speeds. Its intelligent energy management system dynamically adjusts thrust output, reducing operational costs and extending mission range. This means longer flight durations, fewer refueling stops, and a strategic advantage in prolonged air operations. With hypersonic speeds, unmatched agility, and state-of-the-art stealth, the 2025 XB-70 Valkyrie is more than just a fighter jet, it's a game-changer. It represents the future of air dominance, where technology and innovation push the boundaries of what's possible in aerial warfare. As the Valkyrie takes flight, one thing is certain: the sky will never be the same again.